What's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here, and I'm so excited to be doing this vlog. You know what I'm saying? It's about the lovely Shay Johnson, aka, or should I say, formerly known as Bucky from Flavor of Love. Yeah, she was on Love and Hip Hop, but I don't watch Love and Hip Hop at all. You know what I'm saying? Okay? So, there's something I want to talk about, though. You know? And what I'm excited about that I heard that that Bucky, well, actually Shay had her first child. You know what I'm saying? You know, I never predicted that she was gonna have a baby. I had dreams and stuff. I had my imaginations imagining that Shay was having a baby. You know what I'm saying? I had those imaginations and stuff like that. I was imagining that Shay Johnson would get pregnant and have a baby. You know. So you know what? I want to tell y'all something, y'all. Y'all ready for this? When she was on Flavor of Love, you know, well, I watched her on this interview with the interview, you know, with that the intro, whatever you call that, auditioning for the show. It was Charm School I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Charm School. All right. Yeah, Charm School. Okay. Charm School. You know, when she said the beauty and the booty. You know what? Shay Johnson, I can't believe you said that word. Why? Because you're a girl. Or should I say, well, I would call you a woman, a lady, a girl, a lady, woman, whatever. You know? I like to hear females say that word booty. She said that word, and I'm so glad she said that word. You know what? Before I say anything else, Shay Johnson, if you're watching this video right now, congratulations on your baby girl. Okay? I mean, I kept imagining you having a baby. My imagination came true. Okay? Let me tell y'all something. Sometimes I predict things. Sometimes they come true. Okay? Sometimes they come true. Okay? Mm-hmm. But honestly, I never thought you and Larissa would have beef with each other. You know? I never thought in my life that you and Larissa would ever have beef with each other. You know? And then I was like, why is this going on? I call that a nightmare, you know what I'm saying? I literally call that a nightmare, you know? Let me tell y'all something. Larissa, I love you too, okay? Because with y'all arguing and cursing each other out and stuff like that, that breaks my heart, you know? That really breaks my heart, okay? I'm not trying to offend you, Larissa, you know, because I love you, though, okay? I really do, okay? Mm-hmm. So I'm not. I don't want to insult you of any kind of way, you know. So like I said, I care about you, Larissa, not because you was on TV or whatnot, not because you was on Flavor of Love and Charm School and all that. I care about you as a person. You too, Shay. Okay, they was my favorites, you know. Mm-hmm. So I can't believe I'm saying this, but I kind of had a crush on Shay, you know. But the main one I had a crush on was Crazy, you know. I don't call her Crazy no more. I call her Nevaeh or Heather, you know, her real name. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So I'm taking my socks off. Okay. All right. So as I was saying, y'all, I mean, Larissa, you still my favorite though. Okay. And also I would like to say I'm glad you're a mom too. You know. I knew that was gonna come one day of you being a mom. You know, Shay, you too. Actually, you was the first thought in my mind that I imagined you being a mom. I mean, imaginations come true, y'all. You know, it really do. Okay, there'll be some people that hate. There'll be some people that'll love it. But the good news about you, you know, a lot of people is happy for you, Shay. A lot of people is happy for you, okay? And you know, I want to be first. I want to give you a round of applause. This for being a mother, this for your fans that supporting you. The fans get a round of applause as well. Okay, anybody that loves Shay, you know. So anybody that's hating on Shay gets a big funky thumbs down. Okay. Remember, haters always get a thumbs down. Okay. Remember that. A big smelly thumbs down or a big smelly toes down. Okay. So I must say, Shay, she's really sweet though. She's tough, really. She's a tough woman though. She's real tough though. Okay, but that don't mean she don't have feelings or whatnot. You know, well, let me tell y'all something, y'all. Listen to me, y'all. When I saw Shay cry on Charm School, it really touched my heart. It really did touch my heart, you know. For her to for her to be crying like that, you know. You know, let me tell y'all something. I really want Shay to win a Charm School. Well, I would say it like this. I was thinking about it out of Shay, Heather, and who else? Let me think for a minute. Oh, Laylene. Okay, I would say Larissa though. You know, so I was thinking about Laylene. You know, okay, but I'll talk about Laylene on another show. Okay, all right. So like I said, I've always loved Boots. You know, I'ma still call her Boots as well, unless even though she want me, probably if she want me to. Okay, you know, but I mean, I never compared her to New York though. Okay, all right. So I must say, Shay, I'm proud of you. You know, so I'm very much proud of you. You know, I mean, I'm giving you another round of applause for excuse me, sorry for stuttering, for being a good mom. Okay, and you know what? By the way, your mom, her mom, I'm talking to not. You have a beautiful daughter and a beautiful granddaughter. All right. So, like I said though, Shay, I'm very proud of you. Okay. All right. So I sure hope you watch this though. I wonder who gonna show Shay this video. Okay. I wonder who. Okay. I've always wanted to talk to Shay. I've always wanted to meet Shay. You know. And I also have feelings for Shay, not because of her looks or whatever. As a person, you know what I'm saying? As a person, I like as a person, you know, not as not because of her body or whatever. Only sick pervs like somebody because of their body or whatever, you know. Okay. So like I said, Shay, you will listen to me real good, Shay. You're going to be the best mother ever. I guarantee you that. I guarantee each and everybody. You know, I guarantee she going to be a wonderful mom to a child. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Just like Larissa is a great mom to her 3 kids. Okay. Yep. It doesn't matter. If you're a single parent and you raising your child the best way you can, you automatically a winner. Okay, because let me tell y'all something. My mom was a single parent, and she raised all 3 of us, my twin, and my oldest brother, as best as she could. Look how I came out, you know. But my oldest brother, well, we don't want to talk about him. We'll talk about him on the next one. Okay, on another one. Okay, because I'm too ashamed of him, but I want to talk about him. You know. Excuse me. Okay, but Shay, I want to tell you, I'm very proud of you. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So, like I said, you're a wonderful woman, Shay. Okay, and I mean that. Okay, and let me tell y'all something. Do not come on my comments and talk bad about Shay or cursing her out and calling her all type of names. You're gonna be blocked. Okay. Say something nice about her. If you don't like Shay, do not come to my platform. Okay. Do not do it. You understand? Thank you. All right then. So I'm about to go do my gameplays and stuff, and I think I'm gonna do another video. Okay. All right, thank y'all for watching so far. And Shay, if you're watching this, thank you for watching, okay? And Larissa, if you're watching this, I hope and pray everything goes good with you. Because, you know, I hope y'all could be friends again. If not, I'm sorry. Because that breaks my heart to see y'all argue, you know. All right, so anyway, thank y'all for watching, all right? Bye-bye, y'all.